Welcome to Bryce Canyon. During the next 5 minutes, I will answer all your questions that you have about Bryce Canyon. So this is the only video you need to watch before coming here to this beautiful national park. Is Bryce Canyon worth visiting? Definitely yes. Mostly because of this beautiful landscape and a lot of hiking trails. Which one is better, Zion or Bryce Canyon? Bryce is much better, mostly because Zion is so overcrowded right now. And Bryce Canyon, just look at these views. Do you need a reservation to enter Bryce Canyon? No, you don't need a reservation, but if you want to camp here, you need to reserve this ahead of time. How many days is enough for Bryce Canyon? You can visit Bryce Canyon in just one day, but I highly recommend to stay here at least 2 days, mostly because you'll be able to enjoy most of the hikes and see the sunrise, sunset, or maybe even night sky. Does Bryce Canyon have a town? Yes, there is a small town with some lodging, restaurants, gas station just in front of the gate to the park. Just drive by with a car to Bryce Canyon? Yes, you can. There is one main road that leads through the entire park. However, I highly recommend to consider taking shuttle. It's a free shuttle that you can use to drive along the whole park. Mostly because the roads here are very, very busy. Is hiking in Bryce Canyon difficult? No. Hiking in Bryce Canyon is pretty much easy. Most of the trails are either easy, like this one, or moderate if you want to go inside the amphitheater. What's the most popular hike in Bryce Canyon? The most popular hike is probably the Rim Trail, and the other one is Queen's Garden and Navajo Loop Trail. Where to stay when visiting Bryce Canyon? The best option will be to stay either in Bryce Canyon City or to use campgrounds that are located in the park. Is there only one entrance to the park? Yes, there is one main entrance to the park, which is located on the Highway 63. But if you want to go to Mossy Cove, then you need to use Highway 12. If this is useful for you, make sure to subscribe and let's move on. What Bryce Canyon is known for? Bryce Canyon is mostly known for the hadoos, the rock formations that are standing just over there. Let me show you. See them? They are right over there. Does people get altitude sickness in Bryce Canyon? Yes, it's possible, because Bryce Canyon is located on the very high altitude. Actually, it's the highest located park in Utah. Is Bryce Canyon a dark sky park? Yes, it is. You can have a beautiful night sky photos over here, and you can enjoy stargazing almost every night. What months does it snow in Bryce Canyon? Usually it snows from December to February, but the park is still beautiful over the winter. However, some facilities may be closed. Okay, that's it. This is all you need to know before traveling to Bryce Canyon. Now, watch one of these videos.